Hi guys, we have here the winner of Mr. SPCF 2025, John Clarence Timbol. Congratulations. What's your nickname?
I'm John Clarence Timbol po.
John Clarence.
John Clarence Timbol.
Okay, John Clarence, una-una sa lahat, sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan?
First of all po, gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta sa akin, especially yung family ko na nandito and yung mga classmate ko. Yan, yung mga Ares. Yan.
Sa journey mo ito, ano mga pinakamahirap mo na experience?
Actually po, yung pinakamahirap na experience ko, ito po na, kasi this is my first time to join a big event po.
So this is your first time to join any pageant at all?
Hindi, sumali na po ako sa ibang pageant, pero this is my first time to join in a big event po. With Q&A po.
With Q&A. Sino naman ang mga pinaka-closest mo dito sa group?
Close sa candidates?
Sa candidates.
Actually, lahat naman po. Di ko naman po yun. Lahat.
Anong mga learnings mo sa pageant na to?
Learning ko po dito ay huwag po mag-expect. Kasi actually, dati po nag-expect po ako ganyan. And then ngayon po, naging lesson na lang po sa akin yun. And nakuha ko po ito dahil po kay God.
Did you expect to win at all?
What?
Did you expect to win at all?
Probably yes po.
Probably yes. Bakit?
Dahil syempre po, may tiwala po ako sa sarili ko. Especially, alam ko kasama ko si God.
When you are receiving the special awards, meron ka na ba inkling, nako, malaki ang chance ko manalo?
Oh, yes po.
I see. In your performance of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how would you rate your performance?
For me, it's 9 over 10.
9 over 10.
Yes.
Ano yung 1? Ano yung kulang?
Siyempre, yung kanina po 9 over 10 and ngayon po 10 over 10.
I see. Okay, masusundan ng mga followers mo sa social media?
My Facebook account and IG, John Clarence Timbol.
John Clarence.
Timbol.
Spell J-A-N.
J-N-C-L-A-R-E-N.
John Clarence, hindi Clarence.
Opo.
Congratulations, John Clarence.
Thank you po.
You did a very good job. And balita ko, you will also be competing at Mr. Friendship Philippines?
Kanina po sinabi po sa akin, kinakabahan nga daw po.
Okay. So that will be your national pageant. So
Yes.
first time mo na mag-national pageant.
Yes,
Sino
my
ba ang
first
mga
time.
kasama mo sa team? Paano mga magiging preparations mo?
Actually, wala pa po akong alam kung sino
kasi
makasama ko.
kaka-announce lang
Kaka-announce pa lang po.
So nabigla ka rin.
Nabigla rin po.
Okay, thank you very much,
you po.
John Karen. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Congratulations, Glenise Jean Turla from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management for winning Miss SPCF 2025. Glenn, una-una sa lahat, sinong gusto mong pasalamatan?
Of course, yung Panginoon, my family, my friends, at sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin. I want to thank them all.
What year are you now?
I'm first year po.
You're currently studying
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Tourism Management first
Department
year.
of CHT.
Anong mga pinakamahirap mong na-experience sa journey mo ito?
Journey in pageant.
Oo.
Of course, it's all about the trainings po. The hard work within the trainings po.
Okay. Sino pinaka-closest mo sa group na to?
Halos lahat naman po, naka-close ko naman.
Okay.
Naka-banding ko.
Sino ang gumawa ng iyong national costume?
Shoutout kay Sir Ryan Manansala. Thank you so much sa maganda kong costume.
Did you expect to win?
Actually, no po.
Bakit?
Kasi I was expecting po talaga na Class Ed yung crown. Since parang inaano niya po for her lola. So I didn't expect it to win na.
At where can your followers find you in your social media?
You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, Glenster La Crisostomo.
Overall, sa iyong performance, how would you rate your performance? 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest.
I think 99.9%.
99.9. So, it means you're extremely ready, no?
Yeah.
Are you still also planning to join national pageants in the future?
Of course, actually my recent pageant po is Mutiani Kapampangan, and I was crowned there as 4th runner-up.
Ayun, Mutiani Kapampangan?
Yes.
Last December?
Yes po.
Oh,
Representing Sasmuan.
I see. Okay, so see you on the national stage. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Glenn.
much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.